Hello, today I received yet another package for my broken H2C from Bamboo Lab, and this time it is complete X axis along with complete toolhead. And I will be changing that very soon. Yeah, it's a almost $750 part just to fix this broken printer. And it is done. It took me about 3 hours and it was much easier than I thought initially. I seen a tutorial video on Bamboo Wiki and it was very easy to perform. Okay, now it's the time to switch on the power. Okay, let's see. Please. Hey, I don't see any notification. Yes, assistant is clear. Okay, let's change the nozzle. I have no nozzle right now, but okay. Yes, it is done. Thankfully. Repaired. Damn. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I don't have to send it back to Bamboo, but I have to send them the old X-axis. they don't leave me this, unfortunately, because there is never enough of spare parts. Yes, okay, great. I'm very happy. Thank you for watching. You might subscribe to my channel. I will be for sure publishing something fun, interesting, I hope. And yeah, thanks, bye bye.